let's hang out for a few quick minutes while we make this Valentines tablescape. The coolest thing about this make is that the base of it is 2 small wreath bases from Walmart that was squished together, took some zip ties, made it one happy piece, and loaded it with some twinkle lights. And then I just picked some greenery that I love, some flowers that would show off the Valentine's look I was going for, a couple of those glittery picks that are literally 50 cents, y'all, a cute little bear, and just hang out and see how this comes together. Easy peasy. Hope it inspires you to do a little nice lighted decor from some cool little odds and ends that you can pick up at the Walmart or even that you already have. If you really dig this and this is your thing, well, don't miss the next Walmart Wednesday, every single Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on my Facebook and YouTube pages. Hope you enjoy it, and as always, follow me for more.